How to create a subdomain in cPanel. Hey there, my name is Ghulam Rasool, and in this video I will show you how you can create a subdomain and install WordPress on it. To get started, you need to log into cPanel of your hosting. Once you are on this page, scroll down and go to Domain section and click on Subdomains. Now go to drop down menu and select the domain name you want to add a subdomain. Then enter the subdomain name. Now click on Create button. As you can see, subdomain is created successfully. Now it's time to install WordPress on it. To install WordPress on newly created subdomain, go to Dashboard of your cPanel. Scroll down to App Installer and select WordPress. Or you can type WordPress in the search bar. Once you are on WordPress installer page, scroll down and click on Install Now. Click on the drop-down menu and select the subdomain you just created. Give a site name and site description to your new subdomain. Then enter username, password, and email. Make sure to note these details as you will need these details to log into WordPress dashboard of your website. Once you are done, now scroll down and click on Install. Now it will start to install WordPress on your subdomain. It usually takes less than a minute to complete the setup. That's it. WordPress is installed and ready to use. To go to WordPress dashboard of your subdomain, click on Administrative URL. And from the dashboard page, you can start customizing your website. In the next video, I will show you how to create a business email and use it with Gmail. So make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in the next one.